91 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, and this process will continue. 2 goes into 9 how many times? Look, 2 goes into 2 times 5, 10. 10 is greater than 9, so we have to stop here. So 2 goes into 9 4 times. 4 times 2 means 8. If you subtract, then you are getting 1. Bring down this one, you are getting 11. 2 goes into 11 how many times? Okay. 2 times 6, 12, which is greater. So you have to stop here. 5 times. 5 times 2, 10. Subtract, you are getting 1. 45, remainder 1. This is the answer. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal point, then add 0. Bring down the first 0. Okay, before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 10 5 times. Write 5. 5 times 2, 10. Subtract 0. So 45.5 is your answer.